One of the first things we have to do to get started is just come right inside this handle right here. You're going to find a flap that you can lift up and then remove this piece right here. Set that aside. Underneath that, you're going to find a mounting bolt. Go ahead and remove that as well. Now we're going to carefully use a trim tool and try to get underneath this. We want to be very careful not to damage our door panel. From underneath that, you can see exactly where your mirror switch is. Let's go ahead and grab onto this tab right here, give it a little squeeze, and then remove it. Every time you remove an electrical connector, you need to inspect it. If you see any funny colors, it's corrosion and it needs to be dealt with. This looks great, so let's set it aside. Now looking at the switch itself, you can tell that on each side it has a little metallic tab. We want to squeeze in on both of those tabs at the same time, and then we can press this right out. There it is, friends. Now it's going to be time to install our brand new mirror switch. Let's go ahead and take that, and we're going to carefully slide it inside here, being very careful not to damage it in any way. Once it's in, go ahead and snap it in. Try pressing from the backside and just ensure that it's completely secured. You definitely don't want to be trying to use your mirror switch and the thing just pops out on you. Once you've done that, let's continue on by reconnecting the wiring. Listen for a click. Give it a tug. Make sure it's secure. Now we're going to put this in. Let's get our bolt in there. Cover. Now let's just test to make sure everything functions properly. Make sure your key is in the on position. I'm going to take this, I'm going to switch it to one side, I'll go left, and now we can look at the mirror and we're just going to ensure that it works properly.